Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Once again, there is an attempt to hold back XRP. Notice how XRP is one of the very few projects in green today, posting a recovery of over 4%, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are both deep in the red. The entire crypto market is seeing corrections. Even Hedera HBR and Stellar XLM are correcting, but XRP is still holding strong with a weekly recovery of more than 19%. This is big news because XRP is decoupling from Bitcoin and Ethereum, which could be very significant moving forward. Other projects like Leo and Litecoin are also in green today, but XRP is outperforming both. So we can say that today XRP is the strongest performing project among major cryptos. However, let's focus on a deeper point here. Every time XRP starts to recover strongly, the market suddenly corrects. It's almost like clockwork. This manipulation pattern has been repeating for a long time that we saw XRP reach $2.65 yesterday. But as soon as it touched that level, the broader market began to drop. This is not a coincidence. Every time XRP starts to move up, the market turns red to slow it down. It's a constant attempt to prevent XRP from gaining momentum. They don't even allow XRP to stay in recovery mode for a full 24 hours. Before we continue, if you want to earn 20 euros completely free, thanks to our sponsor Babo, all you have to do is create an account and verify it. No investment required. Check the description below for the registration link and a step-by-step guide I personally made to help you claim the bonus easily. Now, back to the major news. BlackRock has just purchased 686 Bitcoins, valued at around $69 million. Even during today's negative trend, BlackRock is continuing to accumulate Bitcoin. While Bitcoin itself is down 1.77% today, major institutions are still buying aggressively. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 has officially closed more than 20% above its April lows, which technically signals the start of a new bull market. It has gained over 1,000 points in just 1 month. Historically, when the stock market recovers like this, crypto markets tend to follow. Although we're seeing short-term volatility now, this broader recovery is very bullish for the medium to long term, that if Bitcoin and Ethereum manage to recover soon, XRP could surge to incredible new highs. Even though XRP is currently decoupled and holding its own, a market-wide rally would further boost its price. Right now, the situation is clear. While Bitcoin and Ethereum struggle, XRP shines. But if the big players start recovering, XRP could move even faster. Meanwhile, we're seeing massive losses in meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, both down around 7 to 8%. The sea of red across the altcoin market contrasts sharply with XRP's solid green performance today. Today is also an important day because key US inflation data will be released. That's part of the reason why the markets are hesitant. Depending on what the inflation numbers reveal, we could see either further corrections or a strong rebound. I'll bring you a new video later today with a full breakdown once the inflation data is out. The decoupling is very real. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Dogecoin. Most major coins are down today. Only stable coins like Tether and USD Coin are maintaining stability, but XRP is up plus 4.45%, trading around $2.49 to $2.50 at the moment. Now, why is XRP decoupling? It's primarily because open interest has surged to $5.31 billion, an increase of 14.49%. There are massive inflows of capital, especially into leveraged operations linked to XRP, particularly through the Ethereum ETF, which has been a significant driver of liquidity into the market. Since Ripple's first major court victory against the SEC, XRP's market capitalization has increased by nearly $100 billion. From July 13th until today, XRP has gained tremendous value thanks to positive legal momentum. Each victory against the SEC not only lifts XRP's price, but also restores investor confidence, bringing in more capital. It's important to remember that the biggest factor keeping XRP down over the past few years was the lawsuit with the SEC. Now that the legal fog is clearing, XRP is starting to show its real potential. With each step forward, we move closer to full market recognition and major institutional adoption, but we're seeing the beginnings of a massive shift. As more institutions recognize XRP's compliance and regulatory clarity improves, the capital inflows will only accelerate. XRP is currently in a very favorable position compared to the rest of the market, and the fact that it remains in green territory today, while most projects bleed red, speaks volumes. As always, I'll keep you updated on all the latest news. Later today, we'll cover the inflation data results and their impact on the markets. XRP is proving itself as a leader among altcoins, and its resilience today is another confirmation that big things are on the horizon. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.